Students and staff gathered today in the gym at Marian Catholic High School in Tamaqua. Bishop Alfred Schlert, Bishop of the Diocese of Allentown, was the main celebrant for what is known as the Unity Mass.
The purpose of the Unity Mass is to show that within a class, they're all unified, and as a result then, all the classes together become unified in the school community. And it shows that with the guidance of the Holy Spirit, all of us can be united in our faith and in our work.
Is this something new, or is this a tradition?
It's a tradition here at Marian for the junior class. Whether they receive a ring or not, they also receive a pin, a unity pin, to show their unity as a class, especially get them ready for their final year as seniors.
What is your message to the students today?
My message to the students today is to use their gifts and talents, because in that way they truly are united, because God creates each of us for a unique purpose, and when we live according to that purpose, we are united, one with Him and one with one another.
The rings the bishop referred to are class rings for the class of 2021. The students' families were also invited to take part in this morning's special Mass.